Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. My name's Anthony.Salazar, Big Sal. Today we're going to be looking at a beautiful pre-owned 2010 Winnebago Adventurer 35P. Really a nice clean unit. It's really nice for being the age that it is. It's really in good condition. Now you're sitting at home and you're sitting on your computer and you're saying, gosh Sal, I really like all these units. I should come down and buy something from you. Well, that's a great thought. What are you waiting for? Come down here. Nothing's going to happen unless you make it happen. It's the great time of year right now. Come out and enjoy the RV and start creating some fun. Let's go in and take a look at this bad boy. This is a nice unit. Someone's gone to the time to put a nice little custom dash cover on there. This is really a nice unit. It's got everything that you'd need, and it's at a great price. Nice dinette. This is a bed. This will pull out and have a recliner on it as well. You got a nice countertop extension, entertainment center, 3-burner cooktop, convection microwave. The bathroom's really nice. Good sized bathroom with a corner shower. Nice little sink there. Plenty of storage in here too. And then this is nice. This bedroom's huge. It makes you feel like you're at home. You've got a nice big closet here. You got storage up above as well. Nice little television. A really nice little pre-owned unit, guys. If you're looking for something around this size, gas powered, this is a great buy. Come and see me, Big Sal, Guaranty RV, 951-443-8323. Thanks.